Gentlemen, there's some items that you just don't skimp on, like toilet paper. Everybody has made the critical mistake of going cheap with toilet paper, but you only do it one time. You get it home, you use it, and it kinda works. But when you spring for the good stuff, it's like wiping with cashmere. Soft, supple, and amazing. But there are some items that are better bought cheap, and going high-end, buying luxury, is just a huge waste of money. Today, I'm going over 10 items to never buy high. All 10 of these items are, in my opinion, items that you should never spend a lot of money on. And I'll go over why with each item, starting with number 1, the white t-shirt. A basic white t-shirt, in my opinion, is one item that you should never go super high-end. Always go cheap, because pit stains. Every white t-shirt that I have ever owned eventually gets nasty yellow funky pit stains. And it's not that I'm unclean, it's not that I'm unhygienic, but the fact is that white t-shirts get nasty. The second item you should never buy high-end, in my opinion, are ties. Only person that knows that you spent a lot of money on a tie is you. Why buy an expensive tie when you can go to places like the Tie Bar or discount racks at department stores and get ties that look incredible that are super freaking cheap? Third item, in my opinion, you should never buy high-end fashion sneaks. When I see the price of some of these designer sneakers, it makes me almost vomit, because in my opinion, it's such a colossal waste of money, because you're gonna wear them for a little while and be like, yo, these are super dope. 6 months, you're not even gonna wanna wear the things because something else is stylish, something else is cool and trendy and super hyped up. Well, in my opinion, you can never go wrong with a classic sneaker like Puma or Adidas. Chuck Taylors, these were like $50 on Amazon. Number 4 is expensive body washes, like this sweet one from the brand Molton Brown. There's nothing that drives me crazier than when I see that they're charging $30 freaking for literally 10 ounces of body wash. $30 for 10 ounces. Get the fuck out of here. Gentlemen, if you're looking for an amazing body wash, this body wash by Dollar Shave Club, 12 ounces is like $9.50 on their website. But the deal is this, they are also today's video sponsor. And number 5, razor blades. The 5th thing you should never spend a lot of money on is, in my opinion, razor blades. I used to buy like the super high-end things. I'm like, oh, it's got 27 blades. Oh, these blades are expensive. It must be a better, closer shave. And then I tried Dollar Shave Club and realized I'd been getting screwed. The capital screwed! Gentlemen, if you're looking for the highest quality blades at a most ridiculous price, you gotta check out my boys, Dollar Shave Club. Dollar Shave Club razors are amazing, but so are all their other products. Guys, they've got a lot more than just razors. They've got pretty much everything for your bathroom. They've got something going on right now. It's called the Daily Starter Essential Set. $5. New members are going to get the Daily Essential Starter Set, which includes an executive handle. You're also going to get a 4-pack of their incredible blades, which in my opinion are the best bang for your razor buck. You're also going to get trial sizes of their 3 most popular products. You've got that body wash I was talking about, a trial size of that. Their Dr. Carver shave butter, which in my opinion is the absolute best. It's cooling, your razor glides, and you can actually see through it. It's translucent, it doesn't foam up, so your razor gets better connection. You're also going to get a 3-pack of their One Wipe Charlies. These are butt wipes, and amazing. Once you use these, you won't want to use this ever again, because these make you so much cleaner and more fresh. All this grooming goodness, gentlemen, $5. If you hit our special link down below, dollarshaveclub.com/alpha. This includes free shipping. For $5, this is one of the biggest grooming no-brainers in the history of grooming. Gentlemen, supplies are limited, so make sure to hit that link and grab it today. The 6th thing you should never buy high-end is nylon bomber jackets. Bomber jackets, in my opinion, are one of the greatest lightweight jackets out there. This one came from H&M for like $34, as opposed to this one, John Varvatos bomber jackets, $400. And guess what? It's nylon. Lightweight casual jackets like this bomber jacket or denim jackets are another one. I always go cheap because this one was from J. Crew Outlet and cost me like $49. Ralph Lauren $2.90 for the same freaking jacket. Difference, in my opinion, is so small in terms of quality that I never go luxury with my lightweight jackets. But leather jackets, pea coats, there is definitely a difference in the level of quality when you go a little more premium. But lightweight, go cheap. Number 7. 3 Button Henleys, gentlemen, are, in my opinion, one of those shirts that every guy needs, but I never go super high-end because I can find great Henleys at places like The Gap, H&M, Forever 21, or Zara. The 8th thing you should never buy high-end: belts. Personally, I think it is so nutty why anybody would ever want to spend hundreds of dollars on a belt. Belts get worn out. And if they've got holes in them, they definitely are going to show their age. And it's a freaking belt. But I also can't understand why anybody would spend thousands of dollars on number 9, which is luggage. A good luggage is one thing, but expensive super luxury premium luggage like the Louis Vuitton set I saw the other day when I was on a plane, that's a whole nother level of stupid. And last but certainly not least, the 10th item you should never go luxury is tank tops. Never buy premium tank tops. Premium tank tops are soft, they're supple, they're luxurious, but the fabric is super thin and shows your nipples. It's a tank top. Why would you spend $50 when you could spend $5? Literally. $5.99 for this sweet-ass pocket tank, which I own and know that it is awesome. Gentlemen, that's it. 10 items that I personally feel you should always buy cheap. But what about you? What did I miss? Down in the comments, let me know what's something you should never go high-end.